Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something that might not be on your radar: the symptoms of low freon in your car's AC system. You might be wondering, why should I care? Well, having low freon can lead to more than just a warm car. It can actually signal some underlying issues that you need to address before they become costly repairs. Let's start with a real-life example. Imagine you're cruising on a hot summer day, windows up, AC blasting. But wait, instead of cool air, you're hit with a lukewarm breeze. Not exactly what you signed up for, right? One of the first signs of low freon is when your AC just isn't as cold as it used to be. It might seem obvious, but a gradual decline in cooling can sneak up on you. Another symptom to look out for is the AC clutch not engaging. The AC clutch is a part of the system that engages the compressor when the AC is turned on. If there isn't enough freon, the pressure in the system drops, and the clutch won't engage. So, if you notice your AC is running but there's no cool air, and you hear a clicking sound coming from under the hood, low freon might be the culprit. Have you ever heard a hissing or bubbling noise coming from your car after you turn off the engine? This could be another sign of low freon. These noises can indicate that there's a leak in the AC system, which causes the freon to escape and the system to depressurize. It's like your car is trying to tell you something, and it's best to listen before it turns into a bigger problem. Now, let's talk about some useful insights on this issue. If you suspect low freon, you can perform a simple test. Get a thermometer and measure the temperature of the air coming out of the vents. It should be significantly cooler than the outside air. If it's only slightly cooler, it's time to check the freon levels. Freon leaks can occur due to worn-out seals, hoses, or connections. Regular maintenance can help catch these issues early. For example, during your annual service, ask your mechanic to check the AC system's pressure. This can help identify if there's a slow leak that's causing your freon levels to drop over time. One more thing to keep in mind: using a DIY Freon recharge kit might seem like a quick fix, but it's not always the best solution. These kits can give you a temporary boost, but they don't address the root cause of the low freon levels. If there's a leak or a more serious problem, you're just masking it instead of fixing it. Plus, overcharging your system can cause damage. It's always better to have a professional take a look. Let's not forget about the environmental impact. Freon, also known as R-134a, is a greenhouse gas. If it's leaking from your car, it's not only bad for your AC system but also for the environment. Properly maintaining your AC system helps keep your car running efficiently and reduces your carbon footprint. So, have you ever experienced these symptoms in your car? What did you do about it? I'd love to hear your stories and any tips you have for dealing with low freon. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there.